So guys, currently I'm shooting on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this audio is actually going directly into the iPhone using Type-C. Okay, I don't know what the audio sounds like. I'm not even seeing the screen. This is like my 5th time trying to get this video out of the way. And right now the AC is on, so I'm going to try voice isolation in Final Cut Pro, because that's my editing software of choice. And I'm shooting directly to the phone. This is a 512 version, and not only that, because it's a 512 version, I have quite a good amount of storage space. So I'm going to jump into Final Cut and show you guys what it looks like grading footage with control lighting. So I have a key light right here, and I have a ear light that's right above me. And I'm using the regular iPhone camera, like no third-party app. So this is a straight to the phone. So I'm going to dump off the files to my computer and see what it sounds like. I'm not using any form of ND filter right now. So let me actually show you guys what it looks like. Right. So this is what it looks like right now. Like the straight Type-C. Yeah. So this is what it looks like right now. So yep. So stay tuned and let's jump into Final Cut. Okay, so the footage is inside Final Cut. So first of all, normally when you import the footage inside Final Cut shooting from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Final Cut kind of like trying to be a boss. So you'd have to change what you want it to look like. So what I have to do is actually click on the file itself inside Final Cut, go to Info. And then when you go to Info, you're going to see camera LUT, right? So automatically it's on Apple log, but I don't want that. I want to edit the footage myself, color grade it myself. So I'm going to turn it off, and then I get a flat image. Okay, so firstly, let me see what this looks like if I should color grade it, right? So color grade, let me go to custom LUT, adjustment layer, add custom LUT. And I have quite a few LUTs to use, right? So let me go with the overexposed LUT. So this is what it looks like. It's not that bad. So go to the regular. So this is what this looks like. But I like to use like my very own Alexa mini look, like my Alexa look. So this is the Alexa look for me. So what I typically do, right? I use my curve. So I'm going to add another adjustment layer. Cool. Another adjustment layer. Then let me go to curve and bring it down. Oh, it's coming on pretty good. Bring it down. Then select the part of my skin that seems a bit, you know, right, turn it on a little bit, and turn on here and go to my color board, turn on some more, get some more blacks. So let me look what I look like. So this is what my face looks like, and then that's just me turning on the, you know, the look of it. So let me actually change the lookup table if I want it to have a different look. So let me go to this. This is a regular lookup table for me, right? So this is what it looks like, and then I can go to another lookup table for overexposed, and this is what this one looks like. And then there's another lookup table for me, right? So as I said, I like to like play with all the colors there is. So let me try this C70, this Canon lookup table on the Apple. Okay, so this is what this lookup table looks like. So it's not that bad, right? It's not that bad. Then let me add another adjustment layer to see how good I can, you know, tweak this a bit. Bring down this a bit, and bring down this, all right, in the face, and bring down this a bit. And you know, this isn't that bad. It's not that bad. So let me, this is what it looks like. bring it slide and then bring this down. Yeah, so this is what this is what it looks like. So this is like basic, like, you know, basic look for me. So let me just play it back. Yeah, so this is not that bad. I like it. Actually, I like this one. Actually, I like this one. So when it comes down to editing these, you know, Apple ProRes footage from the iPhone, don't really try to overthink it, because like overthinking it might cause like a problem, because like this is what the overall process looks like. Adjustment, you get me, get a base look, then I tweak it a little bit, and then I had my final look to it. And so this is what it looks like. It's not that bad. I can actually work with this, but let me see what else I can do to this, right? So as I said, I have quite a few looks on my table as relates to editing these type of stuff. Quite a few looks. Let me turn this off, turn that off. Now this is too purple for me, right? So let me go back down to another lookup table. Like, yo, I love to practice, you know, like it's so good to always practice and see what you can do with footage. Don't really stick to like one thing, you get me? So let me go back to the standard one that I was looking at. So this is the standard one that I was looking at, but as you can see, it's like still, it's too much. It's way too much. So let me go back to what works for me, and that is the, yeah. So this is the one that works for me. Yep, this is one that works for me. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and yo, stay tuned for more.